Hey everyone, so today I want to try out Peachy or Peachies cotton blushes. I got 4 colors of them. These are the 4 colors I'll be trying out. I'm currently wearing the apricot one. As for the packaging, it's plastic. It's very sturdy, I feel. It looks very high quality, it's very simple, and it's very cute, I think. So I like the packaging very much. I like simple stuff, so this kind of stuff gets me. That's what it looks like in the pan. This is the packaging. It's very cute with the heart. So yeah, if you're curious on how they look on my face, then keep on watching. So this is the first color. It's this one, the Shy P Cheek. So this is how the rose P Cheek looks like on my cheek. If I look on the camera, it's a lot more visible than the other one. In real life, it is a rose color. It is a bit more dark, obviously, than the other one. Obviously, I think like the colors look very intimidating when you see them like this, but on your skin it's a lot better, and the difference is really not that big, I think. So this is the Coral Peaches blush. So this is the finished look with apricot one. So those were the 4, I want to say looks, but they were literally the same look, but it's just different color blush. So yeah, a few things to be mindful of as I was using the product. There's quite a bit of fallout. It is easily blendable. It feels very soft. It's really true to its name, cotton. My favorite colors were actually the apricot one and the coral one. I think those two just give the right color and the right vibe to what I like currently in the summer. So I mean, this one is very obviously, you can see it's like orangey. It's not too bright. It still looks natural on my skin. But I think this one is just so pretty, especially in the summer. If you get the actual sunlight on you, I think that will look just gorgeous. Then after that, I really like this coral one. This one looks a bit more natural because it's very orange and yellowy. This one gives more, it's a bit more muted in that sense. So if you're the same shade as me, these two I can very much recommend. This one more summery, this one more natural, but still very obviously there for the, you know, that flush look. And then the first two I tried, and the Shy P Cheek and the Rose P Cheek. If you're more into the pink colors, then I can definitely recommend these. It's just that I currently am more into the summery vibe and just more into like the peach, the actual peachy, like orangey colors. So which is why I'm more leaning towards these two. All those things that I'm mentioning are, please understand that currently what you see on camera is what the camera catches, but that's not exactly corresponding to how it looks in real life. You see me sometimes looking behind because I have my mirror on the other side. See how it looks like from a bit more distance, and that's what my feedback is mainly based on. So yeah. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. I hope you enjoyed this tryout review. See how it looks on my skin. Maybe you can buy it or not. Yeah, I think that's the thing I struggle with, always picking colors right, picking the right color for your skin, picking the thing that you like. So I thought, since I have multiple colors of different products, I wanted to just make these videos for you so you can also check and see if you might like it or want to buy it. And maybe you're like, I like that color, I don't like that color, okay, I don't like how that looks on her skin, let's not buy it. You know, but it's obviously only help for those who look similarly to me. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it was helpful. If you want to see more of these kinds of videos, then please do like and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions or want me to try out certain things, or if you're curious about some things, just ask me. So yeah, that's all. Oh, it's so weird filming videos like this, but yeah, that's all for this video. I'm not a makeup expert. I just do whatever I do, and I hope that it looks somewhat good. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.